Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about quitting tobacco, as tobacco is one of the leading cause of cancer and is one of the leading cause of preventable death. Historically, tobacco plant was called a cure-all and was used for religious and medicinal purposes. Over the years, more and more scientists began to understand the chemicals of tobacco and as well as the dangerous health effect tobacco produces. It is nicotine in tobacco that leads to addiction. So whenever a smoker or a tobacco chewer takes in tobacco, nicotine reaches the brain within 7 seconds and it causes release of chemicals which increase alertness and happiness, and that is why people who consume tobacco find it difficult to quit. Although nicotine is addictive, but most of the severe health effects are caused by the chemicals in tobacco, and health issues like lung cancer, oral cancer, chronic bronchitis, heart attack, etc. are caused by the chemicals present in tobacco. People can chew, smoke or sniff tobacco. Tobacco products are of two types, smoke tobacco and smokeless. Smoke tobacco includes cigarettes, bidi, hookah, chillum, and smokeless tobacco include gutka, zarda. People who smoke tobacco not only harm themselves but also harm their loved ones because they expose them to secondhand smoke. Chewing tobacco or smokeless tobacco is equally or even more dangerous than cigarettes because it has more nicotine content. Now I'll play a video which will show the harmful effects of tobacco and also the benefits of quitting. I hope you have understood the key points in the video, and now I can say whenever it comes to tobacco, quitting is always winning. I would also want to add that no two smokers or tobacco chewers are of the same kind. Some are severely addicted, some have a weak addiction. Every tobacco consumer is in a different stage of readiness, and some are totally prepared to quit. Some do not feel any negativity around tobacco and they are comfortable using tobacco. Some have tried quitting tobacco and have failed. The decision to quit tobacco is one that only you can make. Others can only support, but the real commitment must come from you. You will have to remove the desire for smoking or chewing tobacco, only then quitting will be easy. You will have to start with writing down your reasons to quit, and you can look at them every time you have an urge to smoke or chew tobacco. If you're ready to quit, setting a quit date can be a key step. Choose a date with a special meaning. It can be your birthday or your spouse's or child's birthday. It can be a wedding anniversary day or any special occasion. Some people choose the first of the upcoming month or the coming Monday. But make sure to choose a time at a low stress time. Also, choose a date which is not too far away, as it can change your mind. Be sure to pick up a date within the next month. It will give you enough time to prepare also. Once you are ready with a quit date, deciding on a quit plan is also very important. You can decide on a quit plan very strategically and identify your triggers or urges and track your tobacco intake. When you quit, you will experience cravings for tobacco. They will be stronger initially but will get weaker with time. For some people, morning routines can be really tough. They can try a new morning routine instead. You can start your day with warm water and lemon, do some positive chanting, and you will realize that how your coughing has improved and your breath feels fresh over time. For some people, after meals is a difficult time. As they take tea or coffee, they also feel an urge to take in tobacco. What you can do is that you can replace your normal tea or coffee with a mint tea or a lemon tea. You can also use buttermilk or charge and take a fruit after meal. Make sure to keep your car clean of tobacco products. You can keep a survival kit handy which can contain long elaichi, saunf, chlormins, polos, roasted grams. You can keep a water bottle or any juice bottle with you. In cases where you are stressed, number one, it is to remain calm and be active. Talk to your loved ones, seek support. You can also do positive affirmations, you can do positive chanting, and just splash your face with water. You need to prepare for cravings or urges. It is also called urge surfing. One such way is to practice 4 Ds. First D is by delaying. You can delay smoking or taking in tobacco for 10 minutes and the urge will pass. You can also distract yourself by focusing on other things and focusing on things that take your mind off smoking or chewing tobacco for a few minutes. You can practice deep breathing and repeat it for 5 times. You can sip it water and hold in the mouth and then drink it. There is one more D called the fifth D or discussion. You can always discuss your problems with your loved ones and take professional help. Maybe from your doctor, dentist, or counselor. Seek their advice and support. One advice that I would like to give you all is to make a clean break, then gradual tapering. Most often, people will slip, and it can be any time within weeks, months, or years. Most relapses occur within the first 3 months, and relapse is a natural part of quitting. Do not get demotivated and start again. You are surely one step closer towards quitting. Quitting tobacco is a process, and the person who wants to quit has to be supported by his family and friends. And if he needs professional advice, we are there for you. We at Complete Dental Solutions, we can help you devise a plan which will help you find out your symptoms, your urges, and difficult situations, and we can work around it. We can help you quit tobacco and regain your health. So, if you or your loved ones are seeking professional help, you can contact us over email or call. Most people try to quit more than once before they succeed. Do not give up if you slip. Remind yourself of the benefits of quitting, handle the situation differently next time, and then start again. Thank you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us or write in the comment box, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't till now, and press on the bell icon.